As you continue to join our live broadcast, you keep on telling us where you are joining us from and where you are. We are here at Ibagwa. Ibagwa is in Enugu East Government area. Enugu East Government area is in Enugu State. Enugu State is in southeastern part of Nigeria, West Africa. So anywhere you're joining us, you can see how their very culture is unique on its own way. So keep sharing the video, keep liking, comment. Just tell us where you are joining us from. Tell us where you are. Keep sharing the video. Make sure you visit our YouTube channel. You can see the unique styles of the cultural music. You can see very soon different masquerades will come and dance. That's how they normally do. Tell us where you're watching from. Tell us where you are all over the world. Anywhere you are all over the world, let us know. Let us know where you are. Continue to join our live broadcast. Promote Igbo culture. Let others know what is happening in different areas. You can invite us to your various cultural festivals. You can invite us to your various events. Amokwe TV is a digital television. We travel far and wide. Just tell us where you are joining us from. Tell us where you are. It's very important. Continue to share this video. Share this video. Promote Igbo culture by sharing the video. Like, comment where you are. It's very important. We are here at Ibagwa.